Hello everyone. Hope everyone is having a really good day. As for me, I am finally finished with my mini album, and I wanted to show you real quick what I had done to it. So this is the front. On the front, I had to make a door, and this is up on dimensionals. The panels on the front, I put a wreath on the door and a gold styrofoam ball, glittered styrofoam ball for the handle. And then on the top, I put a window with some not acetate, but some vellum paper. And for the decoration, I took a tree, one of these, it's a 2-pack from the Dollar Tree. So I took one of those and I strung some lights around it. I got these lights last year on clearance. I don't remember I think it was Michael's. And then I stuck some candy canes on there, and then I put a bow on the top. It's one of those bows that you guys sent me. And then on the bottom, these are buttons. I just cut the shanks off the back, and this is the little sleigh with the present, and then a reindeer right here. So that is the front of my mini album. And on the side, I use this cute little, it's an ornament that Lexi Lou had sent me last year. And I did cut the top a little bit because it stuck up about 1.5 inches more. And this is just some ribbon that I had gotten at Dollar Tree. And I just thought he was so cute. I went ahead and put him on there. And the back is plain. So when I open it up, guys, I had to glue each string individually. I had to cut them down to size and then glue each little strand individually on either side of the branches. Yeah, took me a while. So on this one, I just used some seam binding for the closure. And then we open it up. And this is the first page, and right here this will hold a photo. So that's a little photo mat. I can put a photo in there. Okay, and then this is from a frame that I had gotten off of Ally. It's one of those shadow box frames. So I just used the front for this, backed it up on some black cardstock. This is a flower, Prima flower, and I made some holly right here, and then I just put a couple of bling pieces right there. These are from Halloween that you guys sent me. And on this page, just put a couple of cups on each corner, and this opens up this way, the little cups again, and on the inside for some photos. Okay, and then of course it's got the magnet, and all of them have my or have the mat on the top. You know, it's you know, I showed you the mats. But anyway, so it goes down really easy, and as you can see, you cannot hardly even tell that, oh, it's on the other side. Let me flip the page for you. So that's the first page, and this is the second one. And guys, you can hardly even tell that the folds are on the outside. See, you can hardly even tell, and I don't think that's something anyone is really going to inspect that closely, but I mean, you can hardly even see that. So I'm happy with the way it turned out. And these pages I made, again, I used let me grab that real quick. I used the Heartfelt Creations 3D Christmas Poinsettia shaping mold. So I have the die and I have the stamp as well. And I made a few for a friend of mine. And I thought, well, let me make some for me. So, and I just used the styrofoam glitter balls in the center. And that's these pages. And then these open up. And these little Christmas trees are from the Coco and Reno for this month. And then I just used my little punch to punch out a star. And that paper had polka dots. And this is another one from the Coco and Reno. So that one goes this way. And then this page is the same. There we go. Plenty of space for photographs. And then on this page, it opens. Okay, so I used another little bit of the string here, of the lights, Christmas lights, and a little bow. And oh, I'm gonna have to fix that little flat back right there. Okay, and then again, this is from Dollar Tree, and then I put a holly leaf right there, and then some snowflakes from the Dollar Tree with a bling in the center, or the styrofoam ball in the center. And then these open up this way, and then I've got some little gingerbreads, and on each side I've got little Santa Claus, and I've got some striped ribbon. And then these flip open this way, and there's that. And then they close again with the magnets. Okay, and then on this page, I've got 2 pockets, and these are just from the cut aparts from the collections that I used. I used a couple, guys. I didn't use, it's not all one collection, but they are the Hot Buy paper pads. So I used the Merry Everything and the Stay Freeze. I think this one was from last year. But anyway, that's what I used for this. And then a couple of mats here, and I just put a little poinsettia right there on the corner. So that goes in there. 2 of those. And then flip the page. And then this one, I made a little closure for it, and it opens this way, and then I open it. Here we go. Put a little cluster of trees right there. I just love how that turned out. Put a little, the one on the front is on dimensional, so there's that one, and then the tiny one. So there is that, and then it closes up again this way. All right, and then on this side I put a pocket with a tree. The tree has a little hat on there, and then this one just opens up this way, and there we go. And then I can just slip it in there for extra photographs. And that is it, guys. I just wanted to show you really quick how it had turned out. I am very happy with it. I hope you guys give it a try, because it really is a lot of fun. And there we go. All right, guys, thank you so much, and we will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.